Okay, let's just be real for a second, right? Travel, in theory, is supposed to be this amazing, soul-expanding adventure. It's about connecting with people we love, seeing incredible new places, and making memories that stick with you forever. That's the dream, anyway. But then, there's the airport. Oh, seriously, navigating a modern airport? It can feel like a full-blown mission, can't it? From the moment you step out of the car, it's like you're suddenly plunged into this whole other world designed to test your patience. The endless lines that snake around corners, the super strict security checks that feel like an interrogation, those ridiculously tight boarding windows, and then the sheer physical marathon of trying to get from one end of a massive terminal to another. It's absolutely normal to feel that little spike of stress, or even full-blown anxiety, just creeping up on you. It's a lot. Maybe you haven't flown in ages, and this trip is your big comeback. Or perhaps you're dealing with some mobility challenges that make long walks a nightmare. Or hey, maybe you just have that deep-seated fear of being in the air. Whatever your thing is, this little chat is totally for you. We're going to strip away all that confusion and replace it with some super simple, practical steps. The goal to make your next journey smooth, actually quiet, and honestly, completely under your control. Because you deserve to enjoy the entire trip, not just the destination, you know? So, first things first, let's talk about the magic of the pre-flight buffer. This is huge, I'm telling you. The secret to a truly peaceful travel day starts way before your toes even hit the terminal floor. Think about it. Anxiety absolutely loves to feed on rushing. When you're constantly glancing at your watch, heart pounding, every tiny delay feels like the end of the world. A traffic jam, a long line for coffee, even just dropping your passport, boom, instant panic attack. So, give yourself the most incredible gift, time, and I mean real time. Don't just show up at the airport when the airline tells you. Go even earlier than that, seriously. Adding just an extra hour or even 90 minutes to your arrival time can literally melt away so much potential stress. It totally eliminates the panic of hitting unexpected heavy traffic on the way or having to wait forever for that parking shuttle. Imagine having enough time to grab a coffee without feeling rushed, or to just sit for a few minutes and breathe before the whole airport circus begins. It's a game changer, believe me. And when you're packing your carry-on, really prioritize things that bring you physical ease and that comforting, familiar feeling. If you have medications you need, make sure they're in a clearly marked, easily accessible pouch. You don't want to be digging in an emergency. Also, pack an empty, reusable water bottle. You can fill it up after you get through security, saves you money, and keeps you hydrated. By taking these small steps, you're reclaiming your peace. You're in charge of your journey, and you can handle whatever comes your way. Once you walk down the jetway and take your seat, switch your focus to physical comfort and grounding. Noise-canceling headphones, or simple foam earplugs, are worth every penny. They instantly filter out the constant drone of engines and the surrounding noise. Lowering your nervous system's stress response. If turbulence hits or claustrophobia starts to set in, try a basic breathing pattern. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale gently through your mouth for 4. Focus entirely on the physical sensation of your feet resting flat on the cabin floor. Remind yourself that turbulence is simply air currents the atmosphere, supporting the plane, just like bumps on a paved road. Keep a downloaded audiobook, a familiar movie, or relaxing music ready on your phone to keep your mind naturally engaged. Flying does not have to be a ordeal you simply tolerate. With a little preparation, clear knowledge of your rights, and the right mindset, you can take control of your journey. Safe travels, take it one step at a time, and enjoy the adventure ahead.